In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a form after submission in Google Forms. 5 minutes. We'll start in Google Drive. Open your Drive in a browser you're comfortable with so you're already signed into the right account. From here, open the Google Apps menu and choose Forms. This takes you to your Forms homepage where you can see all your existing forms. Pick the form you want people to be able to edit after they submit. If you're creating a new one, you can still follow along once it's saved. Inside the form editor, go to Settings. In the Settings panel, switch to the Responses section. This is where Google Forms controls what happens after someone submits. Turn on Allow Response Editing. Enabling this adds an edit your response option for the person right after they submit and creates an edit link tied to their individual submission. It does not let respondents create a new submission. It only lets them change the answers they already sent. Once that toggle is on, make sure your changes are active. If you see a Save or Publish control in your interface, click it so your settings are applied. Interfaces can update over time, but the idea is to confirm your change is saved before you proceed. Next, use Copy Responder Link. This generates an edit link for the current response context. Click Copy to place that link on your clipboard. You can share that edit link with the respondent if needed or store it for your own records. Remember, each edit link is specific to a single submission. Sharing it with others would give them access to edit that one response, so handle it carefully. Let's test the experience to be sure it works as expected. Open the form's preview, fill it out with sample answers, and submit. After submission, look for the Edit Your Response option on the confirmation screen. Click it to return to the form with your answers pre-filled. Make a small change, then submit again to confirm the update saves correctly. A few tips as you use this setting. If your form requires sign-in or limits to one response, editing still works for the original respondent, and the edit link remains tied to that submission. If you stop accepting responses later, people typically won't be able to submit new changes. For sensitive forms, share edit links only with the original respondent and consider turning off editing when the window closes. That's it. You've enabled response editing, saved your settings, learned how to copy the responder link, and verified everything works from the respondent's view.